Let's make one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn to use the extrude and offset extrude. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and create this sketch. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create this line here and this two line. This line here has 150 millimeters of length. And this two line here has 10 millimeters of length. And the midpoint will be in the center of this line. Okay, so open the Fusion, go to create a sketch and select the right plane. Select line, make this sketch here, and go to constraint, select the equal, select this line and this one. Go to constraint again and select the midpoint. Select this line here and the center point here. Okay, and now go to sketch dimension. The length here is 150 millimeters. Line here has 10 millimeters. Okay. And now we will create this circle. This circle has 40 millimeters of radius. And the distance between this edge here and the midpoint is 20 millimeters. Okay. So select this circle. Make a circle here, 8 millimeters of diameter. And go to sketch dimension. Click here with the right button and select Pick Circle Arctangent. Select this point here and select this point here. The distance here is 20 millimeters. And go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and the midpoint. Okay. And now we will make this line here and this one. This line is coincident with the point here and tangent with the circle. So select line, click here on this, and click here in the circle. When you see this symbol, it means that this line is tangent with the circle. Or if you don't find this, just click here in the circle and go to constraint, select the tangent, select this line and this. Okay. Make the same in the other side. Sorry, I made two lines here. Okay. And now we will create this arc here. And we will create this line. This arc has 30 millimeters radius. So the first thing here, select a line. Make a line here between side of the circle. And this line must be, the midpoint will be this point here. Select the midpoint and select line. Make sure that this line is coincident with the circle. And it must be a horizontal line. Okay. Plus the reference here, sorry. And go to create, select the arc. Center point arc, click here in the midpoint. This arc has 30 millimeters of radius. So click here in this line and click here in the other. We made this sketch here. Now finish the sketch. We will extrude this. And the first thing that we will extrude this cylinder. The distance 108 millimeters. Go to X. Select this profile here and select this arc here. 108 millimeters. Operation new body and press OK. Show the sketch one and go to extrude. And here we will extrude this area. So we needed to extrude this 15 millimeters, the base. Okay. So select the base here, 15 millimeters, operation join and press OK. And now go to extrude again. We will extrude this profile here. Distance here is 30 millimeters. Okay. To face. Operation join and press OK. Let me show the extrude here for okay, we made this 3 extrusion. The distance here 30 millimeters, 15 millimeters here. Now, while we make this base here, created this base, we have the sketch here. Let me remove the red lines. And here the sketch that we make will be this one. Okay. The same dimensions here. The only thing that we'll make will create this line and this one. The distance between these 2 points, 8 millimeters, and these two lines must be equal. And we'll make a line here, tangent with this. Okay. So go to create a sketch, select this face, create, select the project, select this face and this one. Now select the line and make a line here. Create another line here. Go to constraint, select the equal, make these two lines equal. Go to dimension. The distance between these 2 points is 8 millimeters. Okay. Now select the line, click here on this point, make a line here, and make a line here. This line here must be a vertical line and coincident with this circle. Okay. Finish the sketch. Go to extrude. We needed to extrude this area. The thickness here is 15 millimeters, okay? And the distance between this face here and this face is 30 millimeters. Has a lot of ways to make this. Okay? Here, we will select this profile to, and in the start, select the offset plane. And the offset here can use minus 30 millimeters. And the distance 15 millimeters. Okay, you can make in this way, or you can use here minus 15 millimeters, the distance here minus 15. So it will extrude to the left side here, and the distance between offset this face here, this face 15 millimeters. The operation here is join, press OK. Measure this, select this face and this face here, 135. The distance here, this, and the distance here is 30 millimeters. Okay. And now we will create this cut. So to create this cut, we will select the front plane and make this sketch here. And here we will create this arc. This arc has 100 millimeters. The distance between this point here and this point, 30 millimeters. This arc is coincident with this face. Tangent with. Go to create a sketch and select the front plane. And here, go to create, select the body. You can use the intersect, this body here, and select this face here. Press OK. And here, let me hide this body. This one. Go to create, select the arc, 3-point arc. Click here on this line and this here, make an arc here. Make sure that this arc is tangent with this. And go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point and this point here, 30 plus 8, the radius 100 millimeters. 100 meters here. The distance here, 30 plus 8 millimeters. Okay. And here the distance between this point and this point must be 30 millimeters. Okay. Now we will create a line here just to close the. And we'll make this area. So finish the sketch. Show this body here. Go to extrude. Need to remove this area. So the direction, select symmetric, And the extend type, select all. Operation cut, press OK. We made this. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next video. Bye bye.